Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you hyper smooth slow motion in CapCut. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is to open CapCut. Now import your video. I have this video here, so in order to apply the super smooth slow motion effect, I need to select the video, then click on the speed button right here. Then select the curve and now click on cursor right here. Click on it one more time. Now this menu will pop up where you will adjust the speed and time. You can add new beats or new points by clicking here and just follow my steps. Select the beat on where you want your slow motion effect to start, and you can see how slow is it right here. This shows you the speed of the current beat. Simply follow my steps and do what I'm doing right here. When you finish adjusting these beats, then click on Make It Smoother right here, and then click on Better Quality. When you select that, click on the check button, and now you have to wait a couple of minutes until CapCut applies the effect to your video. And as you can see, this is how the super slow motion looks like. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.